is Guniac. I wanted to share with you a little video that I did a couple days ago with Brandon and his F-22. He has a Freewing F-22 90mm with an FMS fan in it. And we wanted to try out a couple different setups. One of them is the dual setup. I misspoke in the video and said it was 3, but it's a dual setup with two afterburners or 2 LEDs in the exhaust stream. And then there is, we did another video with just the straight FMS cone that comes on it. And then another video where it's my afterburner, which is just the cone itself with a single LED out the back. So this is just a little video to show the difference between all the 3, so you can kind of make up your own mind. I have to apologize, I didn't do the video the best way that they could have been done. I didn't set it up, set the camera up stationary, but you can still kind of get an idea. And we'll take a look at those videos right now. Brandon's F-22. This is the flight with the multi-LED afterburner unit. I think it's 3. To see how it does on the takeoff, so you can see how it performs with this in. So with the twin setup, you could kind of hear that there's a little bit of a disturbance with the airflow, and the plane takes off and he doesn't do a roll, he just takes off and the plane kind of stalls. So that was the first part. Let's take a look at the others. Okay, so this is Brandon's F-22 with the stock FMS. There's no afterburner in there at all, it's just a cone. And we're going to do that flight, see how it goes. So with this one, this is just the stock cone that comes with the FMS as it is. The plane actually did really good. You can hear that there's no disturbance, there's no restriction of any kind. It just takes off and it goes. He's able to do a roll because he still had the airspeed to do it. No issues. So let's take a look at my afterburner in this next one. This has the Guniac afterburner added to it. Still the FMS fan, but it has the single outlet now. So let's try this. So in this video, it's basically pretty much the same as what it was with the cone by itself. It took off and he was able to do a roll. You can kind of hear him in the video say it too. He says, I'm able to go vertical because he's able to take off and go and do a roll with no issues. So, I mean, it's not the most scientific video. I think that the burner has been updated since too, but this does show that having something in the exhaust flow or the airstream does slow things down just a little bit. I mean, granted, there's a whole lot of light because there's 2 lights facing directly into the exhaust, but that comes at the expense of losing some thrust. So kind of take it as you want it. You can do it. When I do something like this, I don't want to lose any thrust. I mean, granted, there might be a little bit less light, but at least you know that you're still going to have the same performance you did before with just a little added realism. So make up your own mind, do it however you want. I'm always going to make it one way. That's going to be with a single LED to prevent any thrust loss at all. So that's how I'm going to do it. You can make your choice, figure out however you want to do it, because guess what? We've got like 3 choices now, mine and 2 others. So, or you can do like the other guys do it and follow the directions and figure out how to make it yourself. So, I mean, the whole point in doing all this is to have options so we can keep doing that, keep flying those things and enjoying ourselves. See, look, I've still got 2 back there that haven't finished. Anyway, that's it for me. hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you find it informative. I'm going to do a few more of these if I can. But for now, that's it. Hope you don't mind looking at my ugly mug, but you finally get to see me. So more flying, have fun. If you guys like what you're seeing, I'm doing more editing now. Like, subscribe, do all that stuff. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subs. I'm almost there now. But I appreciate all the support I've gotten from you guys. Keep waiting for more videos because there's more coming out. Still have a whole lot left to publish. So anyway, that's it for me. Thanks for watching.